Now we see the development of monocot embryo. Monocot embryo is the same process as we seen in dicot up to the octet stage. After that it will show some different structures. Let's we see the development of monocot embryo. It will start from the zygote. Zygote is the fusion of male and female gamete. It undergo mitotic division. इसमें क्या होता है, mitotic division होता है and two unequal cells form होते हैं. The larger one is called as suspensor initial and the smaller one is called as embryonal initial. This is the two-celled pro-embryo structure. After that, suspensor cell show transverse division. See, this is the suspensor cell and they show transverse division and they form single rows of cell, while in embryonal initial cell vertical divisions are takes place. These are the vertical divisions and they form octet cell stage, that is the octet cell embryo structure. After that octet cell stage, they develop cotyledons at the lower side, then plumule. ये जो cotyledon के ऊपर जो part रहता है, it form plumule. Plumule is the part which develops into the shoot. Then this part below the suspensor, it's called as it develops into radicle, and below that hypocotyle region is present. See, at the end of the seed development, the structure is like this. See, this is the scutellum. Scutellum, this is the structure of monocot. Mono means what? Single cotyledon. तो यहाँ पर ये जो scutellum है, it is the cotyledon part of this seed. See, where जहाँ पर भी cotyledon word आता है means what? It store food. तो ये scutellum, it is the cotyledon part of monocot seed. Then यहाँ पर हम लोगों को दिख रहा है कि यहाँ एपीब्लास्ट स्ट्रक्चर है. व्हाट इज एपीब्लास्ट? इट इज़ द अनडेवलप्ड सेकेंड कोटिलेडॉन. मोनोकॉट सीड में एक ही कोटिलेडॉन होता है, तो यहाँ पर ये अनडेवलप्ड कोटिलेडॉन जो रहता है वो जो रिड्यूस हुआ रहता है, इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज एपीब्लास्ट. एपीब्लास्ट. Then the another structure is, see, shoot apex, that is the plumule जो यहाँ पर present है, it develops into shoot apex. And shoot apex, it is protected by the one structure, that is the covering of shoot apex is called as coleoptile. And same जहाँ पर radical form हो रहा है, तो radical को protect करने के लिए root cap, and root cap को protection दिया गया है यहाँ पर एक, this is called as coleorhiza. So this is the structure of monocot, mature monocot seed. See, I repeat it once again. This is the scutellum, that is the cotyledon part of monocot seed. It store food. Then epiblast is undeveloped cotyledon part. Second cotyledon part, it is called as epiblast. Then shoot apex is present and it is protected by the protective covering is called as coleoptile. Root apex is present and it is called as radicle. The root apex is protected by the root cap and it is protected by the coleorhiza. This is the entire structure of mature seed in monocots. I hope all of you understand the structure of development of monocot embryo.